Greetings to all of the Gully Side TV subscriber them, me soldier them, me talks them, me general them, me queen them. Big up on yourself, the Gully Side TV family. We there again, you don't know. We not going nowhere. People, today we are going to talk about truly, really and truly, dancehall fans no one give Mavado the credit but the man deserve. Mavado deserve more credit where he might get right now in the dancehall space. People forget too soon say a Mavado are the artist we say Bad Gully Vendetta say trends again. A Mavado are the artist we say Bad Gully Vendetta say trends again, and him bring him little brother Jamil in the thing, and Jamil join in and say MVP, and it a work in the artist them favor both musically and business wise. And it's working in the fans them favor, both in able to see their artists once in a stage show than to see each this one at a time and this one at a time and this one at a time. So the artists them can travel at the same time and go do shows together and go sell shows together, sold out shows together, and isn't it? Make them money. I just business on a business level. Gully God that think. Gully God is not a stupid artist. Gully God are not dumb. Gully God are one of the most intelligent youth in a dancehall music. Me no care when nobody wants say. Gully God are one of that youth were intelligent. When it comes to business, Gully God no play with business. It no matter who you be, it no matter you are a friend or a family or a brother. Gully God no play with him bumbuckler business when it comes to business, you know. That's why the man is consistent and still progressive. So dancehall fans, you need to cut up the crap and cut up the fuckery. And some of the vlogger them too, you need to cut up the fuckery. And some of the vlogger them will take side. Will take side from Gully God. A Gully God bring the youth them to the forefront. You see me? A Mavado put him life and him career in the space for dancehall music. When him go to US and everybody a call Mavado hip hop groupie. But today me telling you say today in this present day, every blood clot Jamaican dancehall artist wanna be a hip hop groupie. Every Jamaican artist right now wanna have a collab with one big hip hop artist. But when Mavado did do that, them say a hip hop groupie. Mavado go in the hip hop world and so hip hop artists say, yo, this is how we live. This is the real Jamaican lifestyle. And the hip hop artists them say, yo, that this nigga is fucking real, man. This nigga is living the real life. This nigga is singing about the real life. This nigga is not fake. No matter what the media say, no matter what people try to paint the bad picture, this nigga is a real nigga. And that's what the hip hop artists them realize. That's why Mavado get the most collab in a hip hop world. You see me? So right now, every dancehall artist want get a hip hop linky to blood clot. Tell me under the comment section if me a lie. Mavado set that trend there. Mavado make dancehall artists if you know say yo, me can get a hip hop link, you know. That a plus to me. You see me? When me there in the hip hop world and me a do the, me a extend my brand to the international market. And Mavado set that trend there and make the people them know say yo, get a youth, you can have links of friends, you can have friends, you can meet the biggest stars and make them your friends and family member. And Mavado said them thing there. Right now, Vybz Kartel, we know wish where you there, and we are praying for you. We wish you to come on road. You see me? Your family, your kids them need you on road. You see me? And big up every blood clot youth. We're ambitious and want to make it in a life. You see me? If you want to make it in a life as a ghetto youth, me I urge you to take a page from Mavado's life story and Mavado's book. If you take a page from Mavado's book, I'm not going to be sure whether you're going to miss your steps. Because Mavado is very calculative. Whenever he might do is very calculative. Do you know that Mavado have whole heap of songs? Mavado have whole heap of international collabs were recorded already and already just waiting for release. But the man just lean back and say, yo, make me see what they must say. What they must say, what they must say. Mavado say, make me see what they must say. Because Gully got that calculate him steps and he want to deal with the right direction. So the fans them are that me come to tell you no, give Gully God the right credit. Respect the right man. I want to tell Vendetta fans too. You see me? You need to give Gully God more respect. You need to show Gully God respect more. Because we know say enough Vendetta fans them rate Gully God. Yeah. Enough Vendetta fans rate Gully God to the ground. Yeah. And some of the Vendetta fans them, a Gully side fan them, but them don't be Vendetta fan. We don't have a problem with that. A Gully Vendetta we say for life, but I want the Vendetta fan them to show Gully God more love. You see me? Gully God need the views them. And if we show Gully God the love, as we all show Gully, every artist the love, yo, the thing now gonna be normal, you see me? I don't me come to tell you now. Gullyside TV, subscribe, big up me talks them, dance all true, tell you TV, you don't know, Mr. T, I saw the thing there. Everything or anything anyway, gangsta for life. Greetings to all of the Gully.